Oke YouTube, kali ini kita akan mencoba eksperimen mode penerbangan. Dan pertama kita akan coba mode penerbangan fixing wings ya, atau model pesawat terbang.
Things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty. I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man. All your music and arrangement. You don't know shit. Shut your mouth. You can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes. Positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers.
Oke YouTube, inilah mode terbang fixing wings ya, atau model terbang pesawat ya. Dan kita coba model lainnya, yaitu course stroke. Oke, kita coba go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too.
Baik, kayaknya mode terbang course stroke terfokus pada satu titik ya. Agak sulit untuk menerbangkannya. Dan kita akan coba mode lain ya, yaitu cinematic mode.
Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
Oke, demikian mode cinematic ya. Kayaknya seperti terbang biasa saja. Baik, dan kita akan coba mode tripod ya. tripod kayaknya hanya diam di tempat ya, cuman bisa putar kiri dan putar kanan saja. Oke, kita akan coba fitur tracking dari Drone Fimi ini ya. Waypoint ya.
Second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm basing this test.
Baik, sebelumnya kita tentukanlah titik-titik yang akan kita gunakan sebagai waypoint yang ada di peta map Anda ya. Kita titiknya. Titik pertama, kemudian atur waypointnya titik kedua, dan atur waypointnya ke titik ketiga. Oke. Kita tekan go.
Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny. Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined, cause I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall.
Oke, kita tunggu ya sampai waypoint ketiga dan misi selesai. Oke, terima kasih buat Anda yang sudah menonton video ini, dan kita akan jumpa di video berikutnya.
And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the